Zero. Can anybody hear me? Or are we all just noise? Mama said the sky was home. Teacher drew it on the board. The news kept changing every night, like truth was something sold in stores. I learned my name, forgot myself, built my dreams on someone else. Maybe we're all looking through different windows. Maybe we're all calling the same stars by different names. Zero. I was born without a map. Every heartbeat pushes back. Invisible voices living in my head. Oh, maybe life ain't breaking us. Maybe it's making us instead. If we're all made from the same dust, why is it so hard to learn to trust? I'm still searching. I'm still hoping inside there. Somewhere crosses, somewhere suits, somewhere scars they never choose. Some count money, some count prayers, some count lights to prove they're there. Every city draws a border, every ocean washes clean. Maybe every generation dreams the same impossible dream. Different colors, different faces, different stories, different places. Still the moon looks down the same, so who's teaching us to hate? Zero. Every ending starts again. Every stranger could be a friend. Invisible signals changing everything. Maybe every broken heart is learning how to say. Maybe heaven isn't farther. Maybe earth just forgot. Maybe freedom starts the moment we stop pretending we've got it all. The equations still keep dancing. The guitars still scream the truth. If love survives the loudest silence, maybe so can you. I don't wanna know everything. I just wanna know why. Why kindness feels so rare. Why everybody's picking sides when we're all standing on the same world. Zero. We were born to ask high. Every dream can we write a life. Invisible hope still lights the dark. We're more than names, more than flags, more than fear, more than the past. Raise your voice, don't disappear. If you're alive, then you're still here. One heartbeat, one skyline, one tomorrow. We can still defy. Maybe the world's not asking us to be perfect. Maybe it's only asking us to leave behind a better echo than the one we found. Zero.